Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Robinhood level 3 option trading. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So the first thing would be is to be eligible to use Robinhood option trading. And basically, first thing, make sure that you have completed setting up your account. Make sure that you have completed the signing up process, identity verification, you have funds in your account. After that, all you will need to do is just to go to your profile. By going to the profile, you will find this menu option, and basically here you will find your ETFs, stocks, options, etc. And then you will be needing just to go to the menu. So basically here you will find many other options more than these when you have a completed account in uh, Robinhood. And basically all you will need to do is to go to investing. So basically you will find an option that is investing. You click on it and basically you will be having many other options. So you will find many buttons as this one or green ones, and there are ones that says enable option trading. So you will click on the enable option trading and then you will start as answering the questions. So basically you will be ask the many questions about your experience, your knowledge about the option trading. And then if you are already experienced, you will be eligible to use the level 3 uh, Robinhood option trading. Otherwise, you will be having either level 2 or something else. And then after you gain experience, and you can learn more about option trading in even in Robinhood sports pages and blogs. And then you can go to the same page investing, and then you will search for the option trading, and then you can upgrade your account. You will find an upgrade icon or button here in the corner in the option trading, and then you can reapply for level 3. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.